Now, what are the best vehicles out there to lease? Well, in order to understand this, it's important to know what you're actually paying for with a lease. When you lease a car, you're paying for the vehicle's depreciation as well as interest, taxes, and fees. That means vehicles that depreciate faster, such as luxury vehicles, are going to be more expensive to lease. What you want to look for is a vehicle with high residual value. This means it won't depreciate as fast, and as a result, the monthly lease payment will be lower. In addition, you should also consider the potential to buy the vehicle from the leasing company at the end of your lease, as this is common practice. This can also be a way to get around the per mile fee if you went over your allotted number of miles for the lease term. If there's any chance that you might want to buy the vehicle at the end of your lease, you should choose something that is very reliable and with a high residual value. With that being said, here's some of the best vehicles to consider. Honda and Toyota are known for making some of the most reliable vehicles on the road, so this is often a great place to start. However, in recent years, other foreign automakers like Hyundai and Kia have really stepped up their game as well. For the most part, domestic vehicles like Ford, Dodge, and Chevy aren't the best because they don't hold their value as well as foreign automakers do. As mentioned before, luxury vehicles like a Mercedes-Benz don't make for the most affordable lease. Most people who lease a luxury vehicle are doing so because they like being able to drive a brand new car with all of the bells and whistles, not because it's a wise move financially. You should also look into any leasing specials that a vehicle manufacturer or car dealer might be offering, and this could be a lower interest rate or possibly a lower monthly payment on that lease, for example.